Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. Don't let the skies fool you. It's a beautiful day here in Tulsa, Oklahoma at one of my favorite places. Yep, that right there is Copart Auto Auctions. I am surrounded by all kinds of cars and trucks and SUVs, even heavy equipment right back over there. We're gonna wander around and find a couple of projects, and I have some actually highlighted from the list that I'm gonna be looking at for myself. So join me as we come and check out some of these really cool cars. First up, a 2007 Mercedes GL450. Don't hate, do not hate. I've had one of these and I loved it. And I'm looking for something to tow with still. I'm starting to realize as we walk around and look at some of the damage right here, okay? I'm starting to realize that pickup trucks are so expensive, and I can get something like this for about half price of a pickup. This one, she's had a tough life. She has a lot of miles, and I'm trying to figure out what this means. What is that? Some guy riding a bike or something? What is that? Let me know in the comments what that is. She has a couple of scratches right here. Okay, a couple of dents. I mean, she's been worked very, very, very hard, and the tire is just almost flat. But you'll notice something with these suspensions. This one seems to be holding air, which is a good thing. All right, now let me warn you before we go inside, because it's a dirty mess. But this is something, and it's got to buy it now. Does this even work? Yes, it's got to buy it now. Oh, someone took this off. Okay, we'll need to put that on. Ooh, 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 ooh. Combine those three things and what have you got? Freaky, freaky. Yeah, all right. Now mine was black over black and it was great. This is white over tan and it's dirty. And I don't even know. Okay, a lot of this stuff still works. That's good. That's really good to know. Okay. Well, do you want to know how many miles are on her? There's a lot. Let me just say that. Okay. There are lots of miles. And she's a dirty, 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 rotten. Oh my gosh. This is filthy. This is really, really filthy. But you know what? You can clean that. You can absolutely clean it. This is even worse up here. Yeah, see? What do I say about this? How many times do I say it as well? It's a hot mess. Well, that works. That's good. This works. That is terrible. That is really gross. I don't really want to sit here, but I have to because I want to show you something. Here we go. This right here on the digital dash is a common problem as well. The pixels kind of let go. She runs and drives. She does need some power steering fluid. We have ABS. And hear that? Yeah, we do have brake wear, of course, with the mileage. You're about to see how many miles we've got. Service E only exceeded by 738 days. There you go. Woo, woo, woo. 274,000 miles. But that's not a big concern of mine. It's really not. Oh. You put that side in, that side pops out. What's on? Radio? Does it work? Uh-oh. We have no... Okay, this is a common problem. The radio just quits transmitting sound. There, 105.3. That's what I listen to. It just quits. Sometimes it comes and sometimes it goes. That's an issue. Okay, all kinds of lights on in here. Check engine light, all kinds of things. Illuminated. And let's get under here. And if I'm being honest, I actually won this at a previous auction and they didn't accept my bid. So then I came out here to see what she looks like. I did it backwards. This is one of those examples. Do what I say, not what I do. That's what's making the sound right there, okay? So she probably has a leak. How bad is the belt? The belt is spinning, things are turning, but you can see 275,000 miles of wear and tear. But give her a little spit shine and she'll come back. She really will. This is it was a workhorse, and it could be a workhorse once again. We do have some mileage left on the tires. They don't match. Of course they don't match. But at this price point, I don't care. This is something I could tow anything with. I could even throw stuff in the back. I wouldn't have to worry about it. And it would match my other white Mercedes, which I'm loving, loving, loving every minute of. Yeah. Once again, what is that? Check out Mustang. Yeah, this used to be a drift dog. How do I know? I'll show you here in just a second. Yeah, look at this. Beautiful blue. She did some drifting, and then she kind of punched into something in the front. Okay? Look at all this. Look at all this stuff. Dirt on the side. She was adrift in one way. See how it almost got into the cabin? Look at that. She was going sideways for a little while. And there's power, which is really good. And their tires have a little bit of tread left. I got to tell you, I've been looking for another Mustang. We're getting close to the damage. Here's the damage. It looks much worse than it really is. And we have a dirty diaper there. Someone placed a dirty diaper for us. Thank you, guys. Yeah. Okay, so we need a bumper, a headlight, and a fender. And perhaps maybe a door right there. Those are scratches. They can be filled in and painted. There's a dent back there. But this is what I'm talking about right here. Drift dogs, where hot dogs are fuel. 2016 Ford Mustang. Let's see what she's like on the inside. I don't want to get too muddy. It just finished raining, so I can't. Oh, that was a little wet. That step was a little bit wet. Okay. So we'll just kind of slide in here, leave my foot out. We do have power, and I got to say, I love that. It matches the car. That is really nice. Well, okay, I got to use my other foot to come in here. We'll just see what happens. Oh. Okay. Well, she sounds different. She sounds different than other Mustangs. Engine. I don't know if she sounds great or not, but can you hear that? Now she's going to idle for us. How much gas do we have? Oh, about 1/8 of a tank of gas.
No phone connected.
No phone connected. Thank you. We'll just turn you off. Let's just turn you off. How do I turn this off? I don't even know. Okay. 34 miles till we're out of fuel. 94,000 miles on the odometer. This is a nice place in here. This would clean up. I like the emblem right there. That's cool. I like the color. I love the exhaust. Let's just kind of see. As I say, I love the exhaust. The car gets quiet. Okay. Let's take a look. Maybe I'm stupid, but damage like this does not really scare me too much. What scares me is putting my hand under here, and I don't know what I'm going to encounter on some of these cars. All right, here we go. Oh, it's got the Afraid air intake system, and it has a 4-cylinder engine. Okay. Well, does that make it not as cool as it wants? Do you put all these drift stickers on an engine? It's only 4 cylinders with a turbocharger. Okay, well now we're talking. That makes it more interesting. Do we have any fluid? I'm not seeing very much there. The engine runs good now. little four-banger. I don't know what I think about all this kind of stuff, but here you can see the damage. It's really nothing big. Straighten that out, put your new fender on, and you're good to go. See, all this is fine. That's all fine, that's all fine. No problem here, no problem there. Yeah, I like this. I like it a lot. See what they have in the back. See what she's got out back. Oh, well, we're missing some pieces. I wish I could get under there and see, but I'm not going to get my knees wet. So we seem to be missing exhaust pipes. What? Ugh. Don't want to breathe that. Okay. Yeah. Well, what do you think about this? The potential is there. It's not going to be too expensive. Mustang parts are cheap. It sounds good. 90,000 miles. Tires are okay. Let's see if I can get around this. Here we go. Okay. Now that she's warmed up a little bit. Can you hear it? I'll take this microphone off and you can hear the exhaust. And listen for the turbo. Mikey likes that. Yes, Mikey likes. We're going back in time for this one. 2002 Lincoln Town Car. I don't know if this is the Cartier or Signature or what. I know that it's old. I like the roof. We're missing a piece of the roof. As far as damage, it looks very minimal so far. Just a couple of scratches right here. This has been, I don't know what I think about these. They used to add these to Mercedes all the time too, and I thought they were kind of ugly. Anyway, look at this. Look at the gold going up, going up, going up. Oh, it's missing. We're missing it. That might be hard to find. I don't know what the gold and the silver too. I would do silver in here. Yeah, okay, so we need another tire here. The paint looks really good on it though. I mean, it does. We're being positive, even under all these clouds. Yeah, the sun is coming out tomorrow and the rain is quitting. It's been raining almost a week. Okay, so we do have a little dent here, some scratches, some scratches, some scratches, oh, she went under a little fence or something. It's not major. It's not major, but it would take some work. And look at the fancy pinstripe. Ooh, that is cool. How many flat tires does she have? 3? Little damage here. I don't know. Let's see what this looks like. Look, went right for it. There it is. These things were so reliable back in the day. That's why they're still on the road. People just loved them. They really did. I don't know what the inside looks like. Let's take a look on the inside. Oh, well, she could use a cleaning. We're being positive. Yeah, a good cleaning would go a long, a long way in this old girl. Look how comfortable those seats are. I don't want to sit in them, but I have to. I got to sit in the front seat just to see what's happening here. Oh, and water. Yeah, there's some water trapped in the door. Nothing in there. Woo! Okay, I'm going in. We're going in. This is... Someone has not taken care of this car at all. I'm so sorry, little girl. Okay, oil was changed though. 7/12 of 22 at only 124,000 miles? What? Only 124? Well, there could be a whole lot more on her right now. Oh. Oh, we found gold. We found treasure. And pills. What's this? I don't know what that is. Okay. I like this though. I mean, it is dirty, and I've started to specialize in really filthy vehicles. But you know what? They all seem to come back to life. They really do. So, let's see if there's any life left in this old girl. You get one key. That doesn't work. There it goes. Oh, look at that. AM radio. 36 miles to empty, door ajar, air suspension issue. Okay, compass, and 121,000 miles. So it hasn't gone. Return service, 124, so they want to do it every 3,000 miles. So she hasn't gone maybe 700 miles in 7, 5, 6, 7, 9 months. You might check my maths on that, but yeah. But listen to this. She sounds good. She really does. Yep. This would be a good little car. And look, it's got the pedals that move. I've always wanted to have a car like that. See how they go? Well, they don't go very far. And don't laugh at my shoes. These are my mow the yard shoes. And I'm wearing them because that's what I'm stepping in. It's wet and it's muddy and it's gross. Kind of like the door here. Is the trunk? Trunk works. This girl is... Oh, she has so much potential. Oh, it is. Cartier. Oh, I like this. Look how big the trunk is. That is giant. Oh my. This could change my mind about a lot of things. What is this? Well, that's part of the stereo system, I guess. This is just dirty. It's really, really dirty. It's really dirty. But listen to how good the engine sounds. Here you go. She's a turning. She's a spinning and she's a winning. That is quiet. Holy moly. For a 92 Lincoln Town car. I love this. You could, oh my goodness. Some of the scratches would buff out. All you need is the trim, maybe some tires, and you have yourself a winner there. Oh, I really, really, really do. There it is. Whew. Give you a little shine right now. Okay, my pretty. Well, what do you think about her? What was I doing in 1992? I had been married for 2 years. So, yeah, I was living in big Stillwater town. Anyway, I was preparing to work on Twister, which they are making another one. There's going to be a sequel to Twister. And yes, I'm going to try to get in the movie. I probably won't, but I'm going to try. Let me know what you think about this car versus the Mustang versus the GL450. Tempted to buy one of the three. We're going to have to watch the auctions. And that's what you can do as well. So you can sign up, you can save yourself a ton of money, and you can come out and check these cars out for yourself before you bid, all right? It's been a good month as far as subscribers and videos and views. So I'm very, very, very thankful. So thank you, thank you, thank you. We'll see you again in another video very, very soon. Okay, bye-bye. Beautiful clouds.